students, now today we start the thinking about language of lesson number 7 packing. Lesson number 7 packing का thinking about language means जितने भी grammatical questions हैं वो आज हम इस वीडियो में करेंगे. Now from thinking about language student, the first question is match the words or phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. Here in column A we have the words and in column B we have the meaning of that words. So we have to match the words with the help of dictionary. Slaving means working hard. So you match the slaving with working hard. So you number it 1. Chaos means complete confusion and disorder. So here you write number 2. Rummage means search for something by moving things around hurriedly or carelessly. किसी चीज़ को ढूंढने के लिए उस चीज़ को जल्दी से और carelessly मूव करना. Third, scrap out. Remove something from inside another thing using a sharp tool. किसी चीज़ को दूसरी चीज़ से बाहर निकालने के लिए शार्प टूल का इस्तेमाल करना. Scrap out. Stumble over, tumble into means fall or step awkwardly while walking. So this one is number 5. Accomplish. Accomplish means finish successfully and achieve. So here you write it number 6. Uncanny means strange, mysterious, difficult to explain. To have or to get into a row means a quarrel or an argument. So here we match the column A word with their meaning of column B. Now here students, in question number 2, use suitable words or phrases from column A above to complete the paragraph given below. Means we have to use the words of column A and fill these paragraph. Fill in these blanks and complete this paragraph. Now the first one is, during power cuts, when traffic lights go off, there is utter and dash. So utter, light गोल होने पर क्या होता है? Utter chaos at crosswords. Chaos का मीनिंग आपको क्या बताया था स्टूडेंट्स? That complete confusion and disorder. Drivers add to the confusion by getting into rows. Getting into rows means a quarrel or an argument. Next, and nearly come to blow. Sometimes passers-by seeing a few police slaving at regulating traffic step in to help. This gives them a feeling of having accomplished something. So here we complete our paragraph. Next question students, the table below has some proverbs telling you what to do and what not to do. इस टेबल में आपको लिखा दिया है कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. Fill in the blanks and add a few more such proverbs to the table. Now there is positive things and there is negative things. Save for a rainy day. Make hay while sun shine. Dash before you leap. Look before you leap. Dash and let live. live and let live. Here, dash mountain out of a molehill. So here, don't make a mountain out of molehill. Don't put your eggs in one basket. Another more proverbs like in positive thing you write, think before you speak, mind your own business. And in negative, never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Don't build castle in the air and don't poke your nose into others' affairs. So students, you have to complete thinking about language in your fair notebook.